You have been trusting cough syrups for years, but some of them have turned deadly. Hey, I am Rihan. Welcome to the Health Benefit series. Like this video and subscribe NxtWaveContent. This year in October, the Indian government found 3 cough syrups, Coldrif, Respifresh TR and ReLife, contaminated with a deadly chemical called diethylene glycol. In Madhya Pradesh, at least 17 children under 5 lost their life after consuming one of these syrups. The main culprit, Coldrif, made by Recent Pharma. Always check the batch, expiry and only use doctor prescribed medicines. Did you ever think a regular cough syrup could turn deadly? Comment below and share this video to spread awareness.